Hey there, my name's Brad and this is my review of the BckRds Truck Tent. I got this tent from Canadian Tire for free as part of the tested program, and I'm just going to share my thoughts about it with you today. So this is my 2018 F-150, which is actually the exact same truck that they have on the tent box. So I kind of figured it would fit. It's got the 5.5 foot bed, and it does fit just fine. Plenty of length in there for me to lay down. I'm 6 feet tall, got a few extra inches on both sides, so no problem there. This tent has lots of height inside, which is nice. My partner Laura, she can stand up in it. She's 5.5 feet tall. I can't stand up in it without bending over, but there's still more height than you normally get in a tent. One thing about this, because it's in the back of the truck, you need something to step on. I would recommend the BckRds Truck Tent to my friends and family.